Football legend Diego Maradona has passed away. Let us look at his hands and see how and why he was so successful in an early age. And even though there are some contradicting factors on his hand which do not show success at an early age as such, if we look at the hand, we first of all see that this headline, sorry, the headline and lifeline are joined for a considerable duration, at least till the person enters their mid 20s or early 30s. So why is this? That usually farmers say that when your headline and lifeline are separate, then you achieve success in an early age. But still you find people who achieve success in their 50s or 40s with this formation when the head and lifeline are separate. When the head and lifeline are separate, the person is naturally independent. They do not seek the advice of others, they do not seek the guidance of others. And that's why many predict that this person will achieve early success due to this indication. But maybe and most probably circumstances also lead to independence. Now suppose there are two conditions. Now he comes from a poor family, so mostly when a person comes from a poor family, their head and lifeline are separate, because what happens is that they become independent minded due to their circumstances. They have to earn from an young age and such. But in this case, majority people who I've seen have good, well-off parents, or at least middle-class parents. They have this joint formation because they can rely on them or are forced to rely on them. In Maradona's case, he was discovered at the age of 8, and after that he was guided a lot. He was under tutelage a lot. So it could be that he followed other people, like he really listened to his teachers, his coaches and such, and that's why these lines are joined. And not until he turned, at least when he was 26, when he won the World Cup, captain and such, because at that time he was independent minded, because as this line it becomes unjoined, it like at this point this is at least 26 or 27, could be even 30. So at 26 he captained the Argentinian team to victory in the World Cup, in the 1996 World Cup. So we see that it's also shown here, because when this line, when they separate, the person starts to follow their own aspirations, they start to follow their own decision making. Before that they would cling to family, they would cling to other people's opinions, they would be a bit sensitive, they would suffer from indecision. But in his case he was guided, he was being guided, and it was not until he became captain of the Argentinian team that he started to become independent in his views. But it took so long time. But again, the contradiction here is that even with this indication, the person like at an early age, from 8 onwards, achieves successes in his life. So that's why in poetry you have to look at the whole picture, you have to look at the whole line, and not one indication will tell you something. We then see the heartline. The heartline is very far away from the fingers. The heartline is very straight. The heartline is ending under Saturn. And this type of heartline, I think Arnold Schwarzenegger also has this type of heartline. This shows that the person is very hard-hearted in the sense that some people, they like see someone suffering and they like can even over sympathize, like they become sensitized to their suffering. They start thinking that, oh, if I was in this position and such, and they are very sensitive. But in his case, this guy, it takes a lot to happen to make him sensitive to something. So he's not sensitive at all. Like it will take maybe he has donated a lot, I don't know much about him, but these type of people, they don't donate that much, they aren't moved, it takes a lot to move them emotionally. So as I also read that he was very moved by his parents' death, he was very close to his family, which is shown by those headlines and lifeline being like not being separated at the start. But again, besides his family, he might not sympathize very well with others, or he might have not sympathized very well with others. We see again another indication of poverty is the fate line's emergence. Now fate line, when it comes from the lifeline, it is in 3 forms. This is the lifeline. If the fate line comes, this is the first one. This is basically when family money is concerned. The person works in their family business, and not until a specific age do they leave that, but they are financially secure from the start. The second indication is when it emerges from the lifeline itself. This shows that the person is self-made. It can be that the parents are again well off. It's a 50-50 chance, but at least they are middle class. But this person, due to some circumstances, he Like even though he has he might have family money and such, but he will still go his own way. He will be self-made. He will be known for his own contributions, and he will seek to not go into the family business. Opposite of the first indication. Now the third fate line is when it comes from underneath the lifeline. If you see here, is fate line comes from underneath the lifeline. This is the lifeline, and it is the fate line is coming from underneath. So this is the most hard position, because what happens is, due to circumstances, the person's early age is very tough, and his parents were poor. So due to poverty, he cannot live like other people at the start of life. Like basically, imagine that if a person, his father is very extremist in his views, but his friends and the other people are like not that extreme, but this person has to live a certain way, which like very impacts the person psychologically a lot, especially in childhood. Like I have a friend, we are from the same class, like middle class, but that person's early age and was very traumatic, because his father was very extremist in his views, and those early age, like till I think 10, he had to suffer a lot. So even in Maradona's case, until he was 8, or when he was discovered at 8, he had to live like a very poor person due to circumstances. But when these people get success, they get it after extreme hard work. They basically get it very late. So here again another contradiction, that you have to look at the whole picture, that he still gained at, because he was lucky in a way. So but again, I've seen that mostly people with this indication, that they have late luck, because they have to live a certain way, they have to live the hard life in the early stages. We then see the hand for Aries, the most of the mounts are developed, and there's a lot of puffiness. We see the Venus is very developed, which gives the person energy, which like we see for sports, you need these mounts developed, you need lower Mars developed, even both Mars should be developed, but Venus, this, Apollo, these three are the most important, because Apollo makes person natural athlete, it gives talent in the athleticism. Lower Mars gives the aggression which is needed to push ahead, and Venus gives energy. So these three are needed, because Venus represents health, vitality. So these three are the most developed on his palm. We also see that Moon is very developed. We see mostly all of them are developed. So it shows an overall person who has a lot of, like I would say, there is too much development. So this person might have been a bit egotistical later on in life. This person is also was also very self-indulgent. We see that because the third phalanges of the fingers are very developed. We also see that the third world is very developed. So this means eating and drinking. Like the first thing, if someone showed me this palm, and even if they didn't tell me this person was a celebrity, the first thing I would say, that this person really needs to take care of their drinking, and like they're very self-indulgent. They really need to control their drinking and such. And I would say it would belong to an obese person, and he did suffer from obesity. And heart problems are bound to happen unless they take control of their life. So 60 is not a very old age, and it's sad that he passed away. But due to this, because the people with the third world developed, see basically palm is divided into this first world, okay, then this second world, this is the second world, and this is the third world. So when the third world is developed, the person is very self-indulgent. They are have a very high sex drive. They really want the good things in life, and they want the good things, and they overindulge, they overeat, overdrink, and there's this problem in life. He also may have suffered from anger issues or aggression, because the lower Mars is very extremely developed. But again, this can also translate into sports. He also had, like if I see the other picture, he also had a very good sun line here. If you see, the sun line is very good. So this again shows that the person post-retirement life will also be filled with fame. So again, yeah, he coached a lot of teams and such. So he was working till the end, and due to his fame, that brought him opportunities later on in life as well. We also see the finger arrangement is like it's going. It's not a balanced arc. When it's a balanced arc, basically it means that the person gets opportunities very easily due to his financial setting, due to his parents. But he got it on his own terms, because like if you see that this finger is low sat, then those two fingers are high sat, then this finger is low sat. So this person had self-esteem issues. He had a bit of leadership, like it took him a lot of time to get into the leadership role, because the finger of Jupiter is low sat. So this person doubted himself a lot. He might not have shown it, and people will be surprised that I'm saying this, but he doubted himself a lot, even though at an early age he was so successful. We also see that the Mercury finger is low sat, but it's long, which shows that this person was like he was shy and God's circumstances were against him due to the poverty, but he still rose in life. And when it's still long, it means he was expressive. The shyness didn't take away his expressive abilities. So there's that. So again, not surprised that he died of a heart attack, but overall a very successful poem. And I just want to show that there are so many contradictions and different things. But like some things are showing that he couldn't have achieved early success, but another indication is showing that of course he was bound to achieve early success. So that's palmistry. You have to look at the whole picture. I really hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you have a very nice day.